Nagulat ako dun sa press conference ni PBBM kahapon. Nakita ko nga yung mga some of your thoughts na parang hinihikayat na rin yan, no? Na talaga maglabas na tayo ng salubin natin, magalit tayo. Sabi niya, kung hindi nga lang ako presidente, sasama kayo. Yung reaction niyo po doon sa mga pinagbitawan, in fact, a lot of people were saying that was probably one of his best, if not his best press conference. Do you agree with that? And do you see a turning point? Do you see really the sincerity and the effort of the president, not only for healing, to also go after those who have wronged the Filipinos? What do you make of his statement yesterday?
Kasi tingin ko, wala na rin siyang choice eh. Kasi kapag nanatili siyang tahimik, that's complicity eh. Okay. So kailangan niya magsalita. Ngayon, currently, yung galit ng taong bayan directed so far, DPWH, House of Representatives, Congress, and Senate, no? And then the contractors. Ayaw ng Malacanang, I guess, no? Obviously, ayaw ng Malacanang na ma-redirect yung galit sa kanila. So, kailangan magsalita siya at kailangan suportahan niya itong rally on the 21st.
So, sa tingin mo, nadideflect nga niya na yung galit ng mga taong bayan hindi na pupunta sa kanya, na focus dun sa mga binanggit mo?
So far, yes. In fairness to the President and to the Malacanang, no, so far, nadideflect niya yung, yung narrative, or nakokontrol niya yung narrative na hindi siya complicit, or at least wala siyang kinalaman dito sa ghost projects or sa flood control projects. Pero tingin ko naman, dahil sinuportahan niya yung rally on the 21st, medyo tumaas din naman yung expectation ng taong bayan. Okay, you support us, but we need results. Tingin ko pagod na rin yung taong bayan actually, na hindi na lang pwedeng puro salita lang. We need results, we need accountability, real accountability coming from the government.
Okay. Do you agree na itong atake nila, di ba, against corruption, along party lines pa rin ang atake, di ba?
Of course, no? It's still it's a party politics. Ganun pa rin naman talaga eh. Tingin ko nga, although sinasabi ng ng Malacanang na kung bakit siya 10 years, because totoo naman, may existing tayong batas na sinasabi that yung COA kailangan may 10 years, you keep all the records for the past 10 years, no? Pero tingin ko, that's also, sakto doon sa termino ng previous administration. And in fact, kung papanoorin niyo po yung line of questioning ng mga kongresista natin, it's really hindi sila naniniwala na panahon lang ni PBBM yung issue ng flood control. They keep on pushing na paano before that.
Way before.
Kaso nga lang hindi kasi nagsasalita yung ibang
kongresista.
The contractors. Hindi nila ma-extract eh. Ako, personally, na-frustrated ako doon sa mga congressista for them, no, na hindi nila ma-extract that information, what happened before the PBBM administration.